From space, Earth is a sphere, a delicate blue orb floating in the vast darkness of the cosmos, a pale blue dot suspended in the vastness of the cosmos, a tiny speck in the infinite expanse of the universe. There are no lines dividing countries, no borders separating continents. From this vantage point, Earth is a seamless whole. It is a unified image, a testament to our shared home, a reminder of our collective existence. We are all passengers on this spaceship Earth, hurtling through the universe together, bound by the same fate. Despite our differences, we share the same air, water, and resources. Our lives are interconnected in ways we often overlook. Our destinies are intertwined, our futures inseparable. The health of our planet directly impacts the well-being of every living being. From this cosmic perspective, the divisions we create seem insignificant. The boundaries we draw are mere illusions. They fade into the background against the grandeur of our planet and the universe that surrounds us, reminding us of our place in the cosmos. Science tells a clear story. We are all connected. From the smallest microbe to the largest mammal, life on Earth shares a common thread. Our DNA, the blueprint of life, reveals our shared ancestry. This intricate molecule carries the history of our species written in its very structure. We can trace our lineage back thousands of generations to the very cradle of humanity in Africa. This journey of our ancestors is etched in our genes, a testament to our shared origins. Every human being, regardless of race, religion, or origin, shares a common ancestor. This commonality is a powerful reminder of our unity. We are more alike than we are different. Our similarities far outweigh our differences, binding us together in a web of life. The genetic variations that distinguish us are minuscule compared to the vast majority of our shared DNA. These small differences are what make each of us unique, yet they are just a tiny fraction of our genetic makeup. These differences, often superficial, should not overshadow the profound truth of our interconnectedness. Our diversity is a beautiful expression of our shared humanity. We are, in a very real sense, one big family. Embracing this truth can lead us to a more harmonious and compassionate world. Throughout history, humans have erected walls, both physical and metaphorical. We have divided ourselves based on race, religion, nationality, and countless other categories. These divisions are not natural, they are constructs, often created to serve the interests of the few at the expense of the many. These artificial barriers breed fear, mistrust, and conflict. They blind us to our shared humanity and prevent us from recognizing the strength in our diversity. It is time to dismantle these walls, to see past the illusions of separation and recognize the truth of our interconnectedness. Section 4. One human family. We are one human family sharing one planet. Our challenges are interconnected, from climate change to global poverty. No nation can solve these problems alone. We must embrace cooperation and collaboration, recognizing that our fates are intertwined. Imagine a world where we celebrate our differences while recognizing our shared humanity. A world where empathy and compassion replace fear and hate. A world where we work together to create a just and sustainable future for all. This is the future we must strive for, the future within our grasp. Section 5. A call for unity. The time for division is over. We have spent too long focusing on what separates us rather than what brings us together. The time for unity is now. It is a moment to celebrate our commonalities and cherish our differences. Let us tear down the walls that separate us. These walls are not just physical, but also mental and emotional barriers. Let us embrace our shared humanity. In every smile, in every embrace, we find a piece of ourselves in others. Let us recognize that our differences are what make us strong, and that our diversity is a source of richness and resilience. Our diversity is like a beautiful quilt, each piece unique but essential to the whole. Each one of us has a role to play in building a more unified world. It starts with small acts of kindness and understanding. We can start by challenging prejudice and discrimination in our own lives. Speak up when you see injustice. We can reach out to those who are different from us, seeking to understand their experiences and perspectives. By building bridges of compassion, we can overcome the obstacles that divide us. Together, we can create a world where every human being is treated with dignity and respect, regardless of their background or beliefs. Let us move forward with love and peace in our hearts, embracing the beauty of our shared existence. Let us move forward together as one human family, united in our diversity and shared purpose. On this pale blue dot we call home, let us cherish every moment and every person, for we are all in this together.